Subtraction verification without subtracting. Same I explained previous concept how to do addition, but a small difference in this. Let us take one question and we will confirm the verification process in even in subtraction also. Okay, let me take one example. Okay, 65,717 a number. I have to subtract this 38,000. Okay, 38,491 subtracting from 65,717. So when you do normal subtraction, okay, you got the answer this 7 minus 1, 6, 11 minus 9 is 2, again carry 2, 7 and 2. So we'll do this. Okay, this is the subtraction problem. To confirm this is right or wrong, to instead of again subtracting, we can verification by just using the mod concept, mod sums. We can do addition of these digits. Same. 65,717. All the digits you can add. 6 plus 5 is a 6 plus 5 is 11. 11, right? So 11 means 1 1. 1 1 again you can add to single digit. 1 plus 1 is 2. So up here is only 2 it is. So make into single digit, same like a previous topic. 6 plus 5 11. 11 is 1 1 2. 2 is 7 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 is again 1 0. Up here is 10. Okay, the same concept. 6 5 11. 11 means till here is 2. 2 plus 7 till here up to 9. And 9 plus 1 10. 10 means 1 plus 0. Again 1. 1 plus 7 8. 8. Just add the digits to make into single digit again. If you get double digit, add those digits again, make into single. Same way. 3 8 4 9 1. So 3 8 is 11. So 2 plus 4 6 plus 9 15. 1 5, right? 6. Again 6 1 is 7. If you add the digits. You can do subtracting this. 8 minus 7 is 1. You got 1. Even though you can do addition, subtracting some of the digits of the solution. If you get same 1, yes, we can confirm this the answer is right for verification purpose. So 2 7 9 and 9 2 11 1 1 2 plus 2 3 again plus 6. So normal addition you can do. Generally normal if you add 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 2 again 11. 11 plus 2 is 13 plus 6 19. In that way you can add, or else randomly you can make it. 2 7 is 9. 9 plus 2 11. 11 plus 11 means 1 plus 1 is 2. Till it is 2. Again plus 2 4 plus 6 10. Or else even 1 plus 9 also same 10. 10 is again 1 plus 0 is 1. Right? For verification purpose, this is the technique you can follow. This is also same one only because single digit. You got the same. So this is the normal way, same like your additions. But in case if the difference, for example, the starting number is bigger, next is smaller. So difference I got the positive. In case it get negative, and this side will never get negative again because adding the digits. Only the chance of this right side what you are doing. In that case, if the difference in this mod sums is a negative or 0, if you get negative number or if you get the 0, then we can just 9 add it to the 9 each. Just add 9 to it. Let us see one example. Clear idea. Okay, same number 42,689 and subtracting with 18,764. Subtracted and gave the answer is 23,925. To verification for purpose this, just you can add the sum of the digits. 4 2 6 plus 6 12, so it's 3. 3 plus 8 is 11, so 2 plus 9 again 11, so it's again 2, making to single digit. And this one is 189 plus 7 16, right? 16 means 1 6 7 7 and 6 13 1 3 4 plus 4 8. So in this, when you are doing normal subtracting, 2 minus 8 is minus 6. So if you get negative number or 0, if you get either negative or 0, just you can add plus 9 to this. minus 6 plus 9 is 3. Let's confirm this also, same 3 will get or not. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 9, 14. 14 is 1, 4. 5 plus 2 is 7. Again plus 5, 12. 12 is again 1 plus 3 is 3. Right? So it's 2. So especially addition and subtraction is the concept. This technique we can follow. We can call it as a mod. So mod concept, by adding the numbers, adding the digits to getting again single digit, and subtraction this side and that side, both way you can get the same. Then you can confirm there's a verification is done and it's correct. If you're getting wrong, obviously somewhere making mistake, so there's a wrong addition or wrong subtraction, we can confirm, especially for the primary, upper primary. For verification purpose, this technique can follow. Now let me explain some more topic based on the square root. How to find out the square root using some simple technique, the division method I'll show now.